Alright, good morning guys. Welcome to another episode of Off Axis Builds. Got the trailer in the background there, fully built. We're going to be doing the mods on this trailer, so stay tuned and I'll walk you through each mod. Got about 12 different mods we'll be doing.
Alright, so it's time for the outriggers now. I'm going to put them in a location that blocks this hole, but not these. So it's going to be probably about a foot or so back. But I want to make sure that the trailer is level before I get those in the location I want, just so I have the right height for those. So let's go ahead and get some measurements taken and grind some paint down and weld. All right, got those outriggers welded in. Should give some good support while parked in the backyard so it won't tip. I mean, I'm standing on it, it's not going anywhere. What's nice about these there's pressure on them now. I might be able to pull these out. Yeah, I can actually. Just push them straight through and they're removed. The only part that's left is that little section right there, which isn't a big deal. So what's nice is you can use these if you want to while you unload, so the pressure isn't on the wheel. It's supported here and the tongue, and of course the wheel in the middle, but it'll give you extra support when you're loading. So that's the idea with those. Thanks guys for watching.